Welcome to the new year. 2026 has arrived and I have my first beauty subscription of the year, which is the January Allure beauty box. This box is quite heavy, especially compared to other boxes. So I'm curious if we're gonna get a lot of skincare, hair care. I know of at least one makeup product because we got to select a shade. If anyone is new or not familiar with the Allure beauty box, the price went up. I want to say it's $29.99 a month. I say I want to think because I actually pay less, and you can as well. If you pay for 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or up to a year at a time, you get an increased discount doing so. So if you are thinking about subscribing, I do have a friend referral link in my description below. All right, enough rambling. Let's do the first product. And oh my goodness, this is why the box is so heavy. What is this? All right, this is from a brand called Blake & Brown, and it's the Wild Nectar Fundamental Nourishing Cream. For a hot second, it's so heavy, I thought, is this a candle? What beautiful and interesting packaging. This is probably plastic, but they make it look like wood grain. How do you get the lid off? Okay, so you still just twist. Look at that. Oh. It's quite floral. Verging on old lady grandma floral. But let me get one more sniff. Not as bad as it could be because it's mildly rose scented and not heavily rose scented. I have a feeling that is super bougie, but let's see what it retails for. Oh, surprisingly, considering how bougie or nice, or I don't know, I consider that fancy packaging, this is only $20 for 8 ounces. Did we get 8 ounces? Yes, 8 ounces, full size, $20. I'm now seeing the word mask. I don't like a mask. However, some masks are literally just a cream or lotion you put in your face and they call it a mask. Whereas other masks, you got to put it on, sit there, and wash it off. So let's see what type of mask this is. Oh! Yeah, I've gone from maybe to wah wah. This is a hair mask. Okay. I'm really glad. I was about ready to swipe my finger and shove it on my face, and then I remembered I'm wearing makeup, so no. But, okay, yeah. It says skip the conditioner and take a dollop of this thick butter-like cream into your hair. Okay. Considering hair care products are pricey, $20, pretty darn good. I should have known the box was so heavy because it would have a product I wouldn't use. Or like, all right, moving along. What is this next product? I swear to God, just looking at my viewfinder, I thought that said laxative. Luckily, it says LEVITATE. All right, what is this? Cool and Hydrate Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. Okay, yay. I can get behind some hydrogel masks and not a hair mask. Okay, so we get 3 pairs. I'm going to assume this is sample size. It doesn't say if it's full size or sample, but it says it's $4 for the 3 pairs, which is a decent price, and I'm going to assume is sample size. All right, what else came in this box? Ooh, we have something from a brand called MICHELL and Peach, which is an English leaf body soufflé. What? Did they just mean body cream? Those Brits. Let's see. A light moisturizer to nourish and soothe the skin. Let's confirm if it's, body versus face, as well as see how much it retails for. Okay, so yes, I was correct. It's a body lotion, and it retails for $28 for a 2.1 ounce container, and I'm going to assume this is, 2.1 fluid ounces. Let's see. First off, is it safety sealed? It is. Can I get a peek of the scent? A little bit, but not enough for me to describe it because we all know how bad I am at describing scents. All right, next product. Ooh, we have something from OBAGI Medical. I want to say OBAGI is a bougie brand. I could be wrong. This here is the OBAGI Hydrate Facial Moisturizer. I love when they say exactly on the box what part of the body the product is meant for. Can you imagine if I put that hair mask on my face? Ugh. All right, so this was kind of taped, but my tape came off. Let's see if it was bougie or not. So this retails for $65. I would say bougie. Is it, you know, $90+ bougie? No, but $65 for 1.7 fluid ounces, I would consider slightly bougie. All right, what else came in the box? What are you? You look to be sample size. I'm laughing because I almost said it, but I didn't. And yeah, it'll make sense once I find that product. So when I first saw this, I saw the word MICHELL. I thought, oh no, that's not from Paul Mitchell, More Hair Care. And then I went inside my brain. Whew, it wasn't. But guess what? We do have a product from Paul Mitchell. What are you? I'm going to assume something for the hair. And if anyone's new or you wonder why I'm so poo-pooing on hair care products, it's just my hair's really short. I get it cut every 5 to 6 weeks, so I don't have to worry about hair care products. So when I get them in a box, I'm like, what a waste. I got to find a new home for them. It's like, But I get it. You all love the hair care products. All right, so this specific Paul Mitchell product is the Super Skinny Serum. Why do we have serums for your hair? Hold on. Let me make sure this isn't a face serum and Paul Mitchell has, you know, branched out. All right, it says how you'll use it. Warm a nickel-sized amount in your hands before finger combing through damp hair. No, okay. Somebody tell me why your hair needs a serum, or is that just a fancier way of saying hair mask or hair oil, or does it combine the two? All right, we got another hair care product. All right, what else is in the box? All right, the last product is the one where we got to select our shade. This is from Tarte. It's the Sculpt Taped Contour. I'm wearing it today because I actually already own it. So that was a mini because I love getting new products to try out. But it's a good one, so I'm not mad at it. And did I pick the same shade by any chance? Oh, maybe not. So unless they added new shades. So the one I got in the box is Cool Bronze, and I own Light Cool Bronze. Okay. Although, which one? Okay, yeah. Just making sure that this is the new one. So, yeah, Cool Bronze. I'm not going to swatch it now, but when I do a try-on video, I will swatch them side by side in case any of you were eyeing the product but weren't quite sure which shade to get. All right, here is everything that came in my January 2026 Allure Beauty Box. I'm not going to lie. This box for me was meh. Even though I got a contour bronzer from Tarte and I got to select my shade, I already own it. So for that reason, it was a little, well, could be worse, but still. And then for me personally, 2 hair care products. Body lotion, I am lazy, so this will probably be a hand cream, which I'll use. And then eye patches, yep. A moisturizer for the face, yeah. I mean, so it's not horrible. I definitely got my $23 worth. But was it the most exciting box I've received recently? I'm just going to say no. But now I want to hear from you. If you love hair care products, would you have been extra ecstatic getting this box? It wasn't bad. It's just, you know, I love for every single product to be a wow, OMG, which in reality, that's probably never going to happen, but still. All right, if anyone's curious, I'm going to list the MSRP total value, if I had to guess, maybe about 20. This one's lower value, lower relative to previous boxes, maybe like 120-ish, which isn't bad at all for $23. Even if you paid full price at $30, still a fantastic deal. All right, now I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment. It really helps with engagement, and I am super curious by nature and just want to know your thoughts. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.